Hello everyone, welcome back to DK English Academy. Today we will practice speaking English together. Okay, so guys, we will not afraid of making mistake. Everyone starts as a beginner. Okay, so let's begin step by step. So guys, today I am going to teach you daily useful English sentence like speak English. Okay, so please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, guys. If you really want to improve your English, okay, and you want to become a fluent, okay, so please this channel is for you. If you do not subscribe to my channel, then my video can't reach to you. So I would like to request you, please subscribe to my channel and watch this video till the end. Okay, so guys, without wasting time, let's begin our classes. Okay, तो देखिए आज हम डेली यूज इंग्लिश सेंटेंस जो हम पढ़ाने वाले हैं, गॉट इट। देखिए इसमें क्या है, स्पीक इंग्लिश। ओके, स्पीक इंग्लिश किसी को हम बोलते हैं कि प्लीज स्पीक इंग्लिश, तो इसको इंग्लिश बोलो। क्या बोलेंगे? इंग्लिश बोलो। ओके, लिसन टू मी। अगर कहीं हम लोग जान रहे हैं, ठीक है, लिसन टू मी, लिसन टू मी, मेरी बात सुनो। लिसन टू मी का मतलब क्या होता है? मेरी बात सुनो, गॉट इट। इसको यू हैव टू रिमेम्बर। ओके, आप बोलते हैं कि कहाँ से शुरू करें अंग्रेजी, तो यहाँ से शुरू कीजिए। ठीक है, इसको नोट कर लेना है, इसको आपको रिमेम्बर करना है और डेली इसको बोलना है। कहीं भी जाइए, इसको स्पीक इंग्लिश अपने माइंड में बोलिए। स्पीक इंग्लिश, लिसन टू मी, गो देयर, सिट डाउन, डोंट लाफ, डोंट मेक नॉइज, ओके, कम हियर, गो देयर, ओके, सिट बिसाइड मी, डोंट सिट बिसाइड मी। ऐसा ऐसा छोटे छोटे वर्ड आपको बोलना है। ओके, एंड यू एक्चुअली automatic you begin to speak English. Okay, I think most people think English is difficult, but I think, okay, it is just a language. Okay, and you know, you are a beginner and you are making mistake. I know, I also a lot of make mistake, but I do not I never give up. Okay, so you also, ओके। नेक्स्ट देखिए, ओपन द डोर, इसका मतलब क्या होता है? दरवाजा खोलो। ओके, ओपन द डोर, ओपन द डोर, यू हैव टू रिमेम्बर। जब आप वेर एवर यू आर गोइंग, आप जैसे घर में जा रहे हैं, तो ओपन द डोर, ओपन द डोर अपने माइंड में बोलना है। गॉट इट। चलिए यहाँ देखिए, क्लोज द विंडो, खिड़की बंद करो। अब किसी को बोलना है कि खिड़की बंद करो, तो क्लोज द विंडो। अब बोलना है कि जैसे क्लोज द विंडो, खिड़की बंद करो। अब यहाँ पर हो आएगा खिड़की खोल दो, तो ओपन द विंडो। गॉट इट। चलिए यहाँ देखते हैं नेक्स्ट 5 नंबर, सिट डाउन। ये तो बहुत इजी है, सिट डाउन किसी को बोलते हैं कि सिट डाउन। ओके, अपने अपने पार्टनर से बोलिए, अपने अपने आप बोलिए। यू टॉक टू योरसेल्फ, यू डोंट नीड अ पार्टनर। ओके, you know guys, I don't have a partner. Okay, what do I do actually? So you are worried about, no, you have to talk to yourself wherever you go. Just speak in English, just think in English. What are you looking around us? Okay, what are you looking around us? The please explain your English. Don't please don't think in Hindi. If you think in Hindi, your mind is thinking, oh, your mind is already trained ke he needs Hindi. Okay, he needs Bhojpuri. So firstly you think in English. Okay, if you do not think in English, then you can't never improve your English. Okay, so I would like to advise you, okay, please think in English. If you do not think in English, you can't speak English fluently. So firstly, what will have to do? I have to think in English. Okay, I am sleeping, I am going. Okay, okay, I want to play cricket, I have a pen, I don't have a pen. Like this you are begin to thinking. Okay, little sentence, you know, broken English, broken English lead to fluent English. Okay, please don't afraid of making mistakes. I know I lot of make mistakes, still I never give up. I speak English. Okay, so next आइए, sit down, यहाँ पर बैठ जाओ होता है, ठीक है। अब देखिए यहाँ पर होता है गो देयर। गो देयर का मतलब वहां जाओ, गो देयर वहां जाओ, कम हियर यहाँ आओ, डोंट गो देयर वहां मत जाओ। इसको अपने से भी बनाने में ठीक से बताए। गो देयर वहां जाओ, लर्न लर्न डेली, मतलब इसका मतलब रोज सीखो। जैसे लर्न English daily, English रोज सीखो. Okay, if you do not learn, then you can't improve your English. And please share this video and like this video. Okay, and if this video helped, please तो like share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. चलिए नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. यहाँ प्रैक्टिस मोर, ज्यादा अभ्यास करो. प्रैक्टिस मोर. यू नो गाइस, many people say कि practice makes mind perfect. If you do not practice, okay, you can't speak English. So most just many student thinks कि practice. How do I start? So actually you have a phone, and nowadays everybody has a phone. Okay, you can open your camera and practice. Hello everyone, my name is just Dinesh Kumar. I live in Jagdishpur. Okay, I have 4 brothers, 2 sisters. Okay, just what comes your mind, you have to speak in English. Okay, and please believe me, one day you improve your English. Okay, firstly, how to, okay, how to train your mind. Okay, and guys, most of the think how I start to speak English. Okay, so, slowly English. Firstly, slowly English and record your voice and you listen. Next, practice more. ज्यादा अभ्यास करो. Try again. फिर कोशिश करो. Try again. Try again. फिर कोशिश करो. Work hard. Work hard मतलब होता है मेहनत करो. मेहनत करो. तो guys, okay, today I teach you about at least 10 sentence. So what will have to do, you have to write on your copy and remember please, and join my DK English Academy, and believe me, one day I learn you. Okay, so you have to remember and practice in your practice with yourself. Okay, you don't need to partner. And okay, and most of the students think say, oh my god, to speak English, I need perfect grammar, I need vocabulary. No, you don't need perfect grammar to start speaking English. Okay, so I hope you are understanding. If you help this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, keep studying, keep learning, keep growing.